Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. Right now, I'm inside of a tiny home. These are absolutely epic. I love this. Now, if you have a tiny home or you've always wanted to buy a tiny home, you don't want to miss out on all the luxury items you have in a normal house. This includes a wood heater. And up till now, there was no choice for a wood heater which was approved for tiny homes. Until now. Introducing the Charnwood Aire 3, the tiny wood heater for the tiny homes. It's tested and approved to the Australian standards and is now available. Now this heater fixes all the issues you have when it comes to homes of this size. The first thing is the size. It is the perfect size for the house. It's got really low clearances, only 75 millimeters away from the wall. But more importantly, what this heater has is outside air. Now being such a tiny room and well insulated, once these doors are closed and you've got a few people in here, you're going to run out of oxygen for the heater to burn correctly. Right now, there is a pipe coming right at the back of this heater to the outside of the house. And this little grill is what we call an outside air kit. And it's feeding all the oxygen this fire needs from outside, not using any air from inside the room. Absolutely brilliant. Now, probably the biggest thing when it comes to wood heaters in tiny homes, especially movable homes like this one, is you don't want a massive flue sticking outside your room. So we've installed this heater today. We've done exactly like we would in a normal home, but we've used what they call Pivot Stove and Heating's insulated room seal flue kit. Now this has massive benefits. For starters, it's quiet. Like it's all insulated, so you won't hear wind noises from outside. It's a lot cooler to touch, so it's safe in a smaller environment like this. But the flue locks together, or twist locks together. And the benefit for this is when we go to move this house, the last length of flue can actually be untwisted, and you'll notice it's almost the same height as the roof anyhow when we take the last length off. So we can transport this house with no issues at all. So if you have a tiny home or you're thinking of buying a tiny home, don't miss out on the number one luxury item you always wanted is a wood heater. Check it out, the Charnwood Aire 3 wood heater, and it's available through Pivot Stove and Heating and an entire network right around Australia. It's tiny, like it's perfect.